Alright, see it now, people. You don't know it's the voice of the Grizzly Bear representing for Reggae Vibes Media, you know. And normal. Yes, no. Spanish Town. Think ketchup on them. I'm not talking about ketchup, I'm not talking about sauce ketchup. Yeah? And all mainstream radio. Yeah? So, I don't know what go on, but this is the latest news in. Ban all scamming. Ban all Mali. And all gun tune. So all of them young artists I will tell themselves, say, oh yeah, I'm going to grow up and I'm going to come be the baddest artist and I'm going to come drop some bad song and I'm going to come chop some line. Freddie McGregor style right now. Barry Salmon style right now. Yeah, right there, say it there. Because the youth them overdo it. I want to say the youth them overdo it. Nothing wrong with free expression, nothing wrong for, you know, talk about a topic. You see me and say, or even elaborate on a topic. But when you overdo something, remember them ever saying, say, too much of one thing no good for nothing, you see it? Say, for too much. If you do too much of one something, you see that it's going to poison you, it's going to sick you. You know what I mean? I got dead from it. And right now, enough of them youth your career are going to mash up. Got the gun thing now going to work. The Mali drugs taking something now going to work. And this scamming and chopping the line now going to work neither. You see what I say? So you have to check the facts and be real about the thing. The reality of the thing is this. You them now be conscious in the music. You see what I say? The youth them now spread the love there in the music. The music are corrupt the world. You see me I say? The world. Yes. So right now the man them put a ban on them type of music here. We are influence the younger youth them and make them feel like say, alright, that's the way. Well, listen my views still, you know. You can left in the comment. Yeah, ban. Yeah, big ban. I'm not talking about music ban. I'm not talking about when time something lack off. No more flow. No more chance. Big red dot. Boom. Yeah, no scamming song. No Mali song. No gun tune. No badness. Yeah, everything have a nice right now. You see it? If I'm not happy music, you have to go one side with that. You see me? The man right, they say, they quick and fast like how the twist and pass. When me hear no man, tell me what your comments, what your views on it. Because I know enough people of the gun song them, enough people of the Mali song them and the line are chop and all kind of thing. But if your line get chopped, I know it'll vex. Think about that. Yeah. So, it's not a good look on the music fraternity. You know what I mean? For all of the young artists, them will build up this one bag of gun song already. And tell themselves, say, yes, them are going to march out and lead out big and bad in the music fraternity. All of them Mali song they want to make. And all of them scammer song there and choppy chop song there. Yeah, big band. So, my youths have to construct on the thing and come better, come different. You see me I say, be more creative. You know what I mean? Going on the mental state and come stronger, you see it? Yeah, man, the thing named ban. Yeah. Like, comment, and share. I have to repeat again. Comment. Yes. I have to reason with you. Yeah, I have to talk back to you. I have to know phone views, so I have to take. You see it?